Hello. This is Fred, your agronomist and a farmer. And we are back to a class. I want to teach you today about flowering and flower formation. During flowering, in watermelon, we have two types of flowers. You need to know when this flower comes and when the other comes, because there is a flower that comes before the others. We have the male and the female flower. If the female flower is not fertilized, it is not going to form into a fruit. Watermelon is very funny because it's among the plant that produces these flowers at different areas. You know, other crops produces the male and the female part of a flower in one flower, but in watermelon they are indifferent. So once the first flowers that are produced are the male flowers, and this is how to identify a male flower. A male flower has just these petals, no fruit underneath, just petals. That is how you tell this is a male flower. And these are the first flowers that are produced in watermelon farm. They are the first flowers that you need to know about in watermelon farm. They comes first as they wait for the female flower. The male comes first. Now it's not ladies first this time around, it's men first. Then after, when you see a male flower, they may be 2 or 3, not more than 3. The third flower, the third or the fourth flower comes as female flower. The female flower are very few. They may be they comes after it may be the third, the fourth, or the second. But the first flower is always male. This is in order so that when the female flower comes, the pollinators may be able to carry the pollen from the male flower to the female flower. So this is where now the bees or the pollinators or the butterflies are very important to watermelon farmers. You need to make sure your farm is not polluted. You don't use strong chemicals. You use friendly chemicals in order to control or to have good pollination, because without movement from the male flower to the female flower, you won't be able to have good pollination. For the female flower, for you to be able to identify the female flower, you need to check the petals, the lower part of the petals. As you can see, the female flower has a pot-like or a seed-like substance or something below the petals. So this is the female flower, and for it to form into a fruit, this is not yet a fruit. This is just a female flower that has formed. It is waiting for pollen grain from the male flower for this small pod or for this small fruit to develop into a fruit. If it fails, even if you have used all the boron and the zinc I've been talking about, this flower is going to fall and you'll experience flower abortion. Hope you've learned something today about the watermelon flowers, the male and the female flower. If it's your first time on this YouTube channel, kindly subscribe, share the video, like and comment so that you can continue learning together. Bye.